So we are discussing about, right, just let me open. Last time we discussed few things, so some of them are pending. So these all are the pending. Like from here now, first we'll see like broadcast receiver. So broadcast receiver is nothing but like it will provide the data to other like sorry, it will invoke the system components like alarm or battery percentage. So such kind of thing, it will handle this. So that we will see here with example of battery. So that it will like means it will reading the system level component. So that we will call it as a broadcast receiver. So that is a one of the component of Android. So that will continue. So that we will see here now the broadcast receiver. So just I'm opening this here. So I'll create one new project. MTV's activity. So I'm creating with that broadcast. So this example, we will see like how to get the battery percentage. So that we will see here now. So for that, just project creating. So we'll take one UI, like in the UI, just we will write that how that battery percentage will be displayed, that we will write directly there. Just a minute. Once that project is loaded, we will see here now in detail. Yeah. So meanwhile, I'll open this Gradle. So here we will write the data binding. So data binding enable equals to true. So let us sync this. Right, in a UI, I'll take one text view and one button. So text view is for display this, and the button is for the normal display. So here now, first I'll add this as the layout because we are dealing with the data binding, right? So I'm adding that one. So layout. Right. So here now, for this, I'll give an ID. So that is the display. So these all are not required because this I'll change as our regular layout. Orientation vertical. Right, I'll give text size 30 sp so that we can able to see clearly. Right, I'm taking one button here bottom. So that is match parent wrap content ID. So that is the BT1. So text. So that is the text. Battery. Just want to get the battery. That's it. So that we will see here now. Right. So UI is ready. Now here, first we will write var binding colon. So that is the activity main binding equal to null. Right. Then here binding equal to data binding util dot. So here they said the right. That's right. Now from here now I want to write that button. Just I want to get the this how to get that we will see here now. So for that binding dot bt1 dot set on click list. So once we click on that, there we have to get that battery percentage. So that I'm writing here. So for that now here I'm calling this with reference of this class this at the rate here. Now just I want to register receiver. So in this, we supposed to get the data here. So that I'm getting here the main activity, right? This dot. So that is the battery. So just I want to receive on a battery receiver, so that I'm writing like something which is to predefined class that I'm receiving. Means I'm defining the class name, comma. So this is also we are getting through intent only. So that is the intent filter. Intent filter. So that is here intent of intent dot action. So that is the battery change action hyphen battery change. Intent dot action. So that is the battery hyphen. So that is changed. So why it is not coming? Yeah, battery change. So this is how we are getting here this. Right now with this name, outside of this, we have to create one class that is a val. So that will be extended as a broadcast receiver. So this we are extending as a broadcast receiver. So that is equal to object colon. So with reference of the broadcast receiver, the broadcast receiver. So here now this as one method called unreceive. So within this method, we will receive the battery percentage and all we will receive here this, right? So to get that value, first I'm getting the value like battery level. We will get that level that is equal to, so intent dot, from the intent only we are getting this intent dot get int extra, so that we are getting as an integer value. So that is from the battery manager dot extra level. So that is a default value could be here. We will get a default value as a -1. Right. Then next battery scale, we'll get the scale also. So based on this, we have to calculate here. So scale. So that is equal to same intent dot get int extra. So from here also same battery level, battery manager dot extra scale. So even this is also default should be -1. Now we have to calculate here. This is the val battery percentage. So I want to calculate the battery percentage equal to, so level into 100, level into 100 divided by scale dot to float. So this we have to convert into the float. From the float, we will get this percentage, right? Now this we are assigning to this. So that is a binding dot display dot text. So equal to, this is the one. So whatever the battery percentage, that will display here this. So here also I'm giving some extra permission. So battery percentage. Why this is not taking here? So we will write like this so that it won't show any issue. Percentage. That, so it will display like this. So what is the issue here now? Yeah, so Yeah, now it will be clear. Right. So finally, in manifest file, we have to add an permission. So here we have to add the permission. So that is users permission. So here what we are using battery stats. So that battery stats permission we have to add here this. So battery stats permission we have to add this. Right. Now we will run this and we'll see this output. Just a minute, I'm connecting the cable. So meanwhile here it is requiring something. So presentation is required. Just a minute, I'm taking the cable. Yeah, I'm running this. Meanwhile, I'll open the visor. Yeah, it is launching. We will see now. See, now I'm clicking this. So it is displayed as my battery percentage is 61. So like this it will be. So this is the broadcast because we are reading system level components. That is the battery is the system level. So that we are reading. So that's the reason this we are reading. That is a broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver means it will give announcement like maybe based on the percentage, like I want some alert kind of thing. Like maybe whenever your battery is 20%, you can write some condition. So that can be handled here. So such kind of things here we can handle. So that is about the broadcast receiver. Right. So this part is completed. Broadcast receiver. So next is that is the IMEI. So how to get an IMEI? So in this itself, we will write the simple code like IMEI get IMEI. That is a very simple. Like nowadays, like we are getting this instead of IMEI, we are getting the software version. So that is the get IMEI in latest mobile using Kotlin. So this is also one of the tool AI tool. Like last topic is there, right? So that is the last tool. Like in here we can able to ask here such questions here. So this will be a chat GPT. So like this other will be there. That also I'll show you. That first time using the chat GPT here. So chat GPT you are using here this. See this is the code we are getting here. This will not, yeah, lower version it cannot work, no problem. So the lower version we will get this one. So here first means we are concentration is latest version. So this copy this. So now I'll come back to our code. So in this main activity, so this is a broadcast receiver. So here now like similar way I want to take two more, like I want to get IMEI. So this one is that display IMEI. So this is the BT2 IMEI. Just I want to display here like this. Right now, come back here. So this is the BT2. Right. Here now I want to get an IMEI. So to get an IMEI, this is the code. Here now I pasted here. So here by using the telephony manager, we will get that service here. So that we are adding here as a telephony manager. I'm getting this service here. So here we have to, like last time we discussed the permissions. So runtime permissions also we are requesting here. So this runtime permission we have to add in manifest file. Now that we will add in a manifest file. Wait, this all will add. First, we will add in a manifest file that is a permission, that is a IMEI number. So here get device ID. So here we have to write the phone status here in the manifest file. So this is the permission we have to add. So phone state uses permission. So that is the phone state. So read phone state on the right. Privileged read privileged phone state. Privilege. So this one we will write this. So privileged phone state that we have to add in this. Right. So now, so in this manifest, we have to import that manifest. Done. So this instead of the log here, now we will assign this value to this. So that is a binding dot display IMEI equal to. So this way we have to write that dot text. So we are setting the value to this. So here now, this is. So IMEI number, this we will get here. This. Now, what is the error? It is showing one more error here somewhere. We removed something. It's written. Yeah, now we will try here. So I'm running this. So in this way, we will get an IMEI now. Error. Yeah, now I'm clicking this. What happened? Okay, this code, whatever this IMEI code will work for the older version. I think we pasted here older version. This is the older version code. And newer version. So this we will get in a new version. So what we will do, here we will write the else if. Then here we will write the else. If IMEI number this. Otherwise, we'll do something. We will put this and here binding dot display IMEI dot text equal to this. Right. Now this one will work for the older. So just I'm commenting here for your reference purpose, means whenever it is an older version, this code will work. Right here, just we have to add the setting permission. So here we will add that setting permission. So this is the Android provider settings. Done. Now I'm running this. We will see this. Okay, so this is like it will work. So this is the because of this something it is not working here, but this is the how to get an IMEI number. So this is the code here. So okay, so this IMEI part also completed here. Right, there are more 4 topics, so that we will see in next class.